and welcome to KTA's Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make
sushi roll-up. Cook the rice according to instructions on the bag and let cool. In a medium bowl, mix together the mayonnaise, shoyu, vinegar, pressed garlic, and sambal chili paste to make a dipping sauce. To assemble the rolls, place the nori sheet shiny side down. Add a scoop of rice on the left corner. Place your tofu, cucumber, avocado, carrots on top of the rice. Grab the bottom left corner of the nori sheet and begin rolling together into a cone shape. Seal together with a dab of water and enjoy. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.